Hello, welcome in this SAP video tutorial. Today I am going to revise this topic again, how to download equipment list from SAP. Basically our working equipment is defined in the plant maintenance module. Okay, so for this you need to execute the transaction code IH08, fill the period, fill the maintenance plan, choose the appropriate layout, that is the, in my case, asset equipment. Okay, so I'm just going to execute the transaction code. Fine, IH08. Okay, here I need to fill the data from the starting of the plant. Okay, period from this to this. You have lot of options. Okay, you can fill the class type. Okay, but I just want, these are the class type. Okay, and this is the equipment category. Lots of options of equipment category. If you want to download the data of a specific type of the equipments, these are the specific equipments category. Okay, for example, tax, battery, CFA, broadband networks, electromechanical equipments, and building office equipment, IT equipment, consumer mobility equipments, NGN, OFC and UZ, power plant test equipments, transmission radio equipment, customer equipment, tower, vehicle, transmission equipment, TF customer equipments. Okay, these are the various category already defined in SAP by our SAP consultant. Okay, so but I need to download the data of all types of the equipments. Okay, and you have a lot of options like from acquisition date to acquisition value to acquisition value. Okay, delivery date, startup date, plant, storage locations. You have a lot of options. WBS elements, wise equipment list. If WBS equipment is already mapped with any equipments. Okay, and if you don't know any data, then fill the maintenance plant. For example, in my case, the plant is 1704. Fine, and you can fill the functional location if you know the functional location. Okay, planning plant, planner group, work center, catalog profiles and all. Okay, and here I am just going to choose my own layout, asset dash equipments. Okay, fine, and just want to execute the data. System will generate all the possible equipments. Okay, so this is all possible equipment list generated by system. Okay, all the available equipments. This is the equipment ID, this is the asset ID, this is the equipment descriptions, this is the functional location descriptions, object type, technical identification number, model number. Okay, this is the class, main work center, this is the planner group, this is the planning plant, this is the cost center, this is the manufacturer part number. Okay, serial number and plant sections date. Okay, this is the acquisition value, work center created on manufacturer, who is a manufacturer. These are the WBS element with respect to this WBS. Okay, catalog profile, functional location and location. Okay, serial number and material descriptions. Okay, fine, you can choose the other address number. You can choose, these are the column name which are showing in the list, these are the column which are not available in list. But if you want to include these things, then you can, for example, select and click on the show selected fields. Okay, so you can include in your list. Fine, I have included that address field, and that address field will be updated in the last address number. Fine, if I just want to just not include in our address list. Okay, select, click on the address number, hide selected fields. Okay, So data is not available in that column, is not showing in our list. Okay, so you need to, you have option to choose those column which you want to available in your list and which you do not want to available in your list. Okay, and you can click on the list, click on the spreadsheet. Okay, sorry, click on the list, click on the save, click on the file. You can save this data in Excel. Okay, click on the spreadsheet. Here you need to fill the data 1704 dot xlx. Fine, generate the data. System will generate the data. Click on the allow. Fine, so system has generated the data here. Okay, fine. You just, this is the Excel data. Okay, you need to delete unwanted rows and columns. Okay, select these two columns where and go in the format cells. Select these two columns and go in the format cell, because all the equipments are coming in the hexadecimal formats. And click on the number, remove the decimal points, click on the main numbers. Fine, equipment list, asset list, all the list which is showing in the SAP is reflecting here. Okay, you can utilize the data. For example, you can map these assets with the equipments, identify the assets with the asset registers. Okay, remove the equipments which are not working. Okay, so thank you all for watching this SAP video tutorials. This is revision tutorials. Okay, please share this knowledge with your colleagues and friends, and if you are still not subscribed my YouTube channel ERP SAP team, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest video updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.